Hey, your greetings at WPCode Studio. WPCode Studio is back again with something new. You may be curious about what these are. WordPress setup from scratch. Dynamic content using database. Custom post type, grid listing, archive page, and WordPress WooCommerce. Template design with page builders. It's very easy to drag and drop element. However, there's much more beyond this. We'll guide you through coding for realistic front-end designs, back-end development, and a variety of other exciting project tutorials. But the best part is that you get it for free. Various kind of short videos that will be increased your coding skill. Front-end with React lessons. And Node.js REST API lessons. Rocky will be with you in every project video and lesson.